Hello, Westermans here again. Here to talk to you about this nice looking Bode that's just come in. Bode HSW 1600 with a 150mm mandrel. Obviously full CE mark. Has been used for TIG on aluminium, but obviously mild steel and stainless can be used. Kemppi Mastertig AC/DC water cooled TIG set. Also looking at this, has actually been used with a manual torch with the foot control. You can see from the video here and some photographs on Westermans website, the machine is virtually as new. It comes with a jet line, Y-feed 9700 control and Y-feed mounted above, pneumatic torch movement up and down, and PLC obviously programming length, return carriage, speed. I'm not sure whether the amps and is actually built into that. We'll find out more later when we turn it on. Have a look inside here. Copper fingers, gas purging backing bar, foot controls. So I'm going to get around the back of the machine to have a quick look. The back is obviously as nice as the front. The Y-feed is a full roll system, you see up there. Very nice looking machine. Possibly in its time one of the best manufacturers in the world. Now there is obviously other manufacturers around making very nice seam welders such as ProArc and other companies. Of course I've got a plug-in for the ProArc. We also do a full ProArc range of welding positioners and rotators and seam welders. This machine will go with 12 months warranty, fully serviced. As you can see, it's not going to take a lot of servicing. Manuals will be provided. Installation can also be given, mainly UK, but on a whole most companies don't need installation, because you can see you place it down, you plug it in, it's ready for working. Single phase on the Bode seam welder, 50 or 60 hertz on the TIG, which is optional. If you have a different make preferred, we can add something to it, but at the minute that's 400 volts, 50-60 hertz again on the TIG. Well, that's about all I can mention on this machine. So have a look on westermans.com or email me welding@westermans.com for more details and prices, or price request from the website. Thank you.